Mastering ACT Math. Guessing strategies revealed. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our series on the ACT test structure. Today, we're diving into a unique topic that can be your secret weapon in the math section: guessing strategies. Remember, even if you're unsure about an answer, these strategies can boost your chances of getting it right. In the ACT, there is no penalty for wrong answers. This means that leaving a question blank is essentially the same as guessing incorrectly. Therefore, if you're unsure about an answer, it's always better to make an educated guess than to skip the question. One of the best strategies to employ when guessing is the elimination technique. 1. First, eliminate the options that seem most unlikely. Even if you're unsure about the correct answer, you might be able to spot answers that are definitely wrong. 2. This can increase your chances from a 1 in 5 to possibly a 1 in 3 or even a 1 in 2. There are a few patterns that can be observed in multiple choice tests, and the ACT is no exception. 1. When in complete doubt, answer C or B statistically. These options are more likely to be correct when guessing, but use this tip as a last resort. 2. Be cautious with answers that contain extreme words like always or never. They tend to be incorrect more often. While these strategies can certainly assist you, it's also essential to trust your gut feeling. Sometimes, your first instinct or choice can be the right one. So, if you're torn between two answers after using the elimination technique, go with the one that feels more correct. The best way to become adept at these guessing strategies is through practice. 1. Take several ACT practice tests. 2. Put yourself in situations where you must guess. 3. Review your answers and analyze why certain guesses were correct or incorrect. There you have it. Mastering the guessing game in the ACT math section can make a real difference in your final score. While it's essential to study and prepare thoroughly, knowing when and how to guess can give you an edge. We hope these strategies serve you well in your ACT journey. Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.